Hello, my dear students, and welcome to English for Palestine, grade 7. Our lesson today is in your book, Unit 15. It's about therefore and however. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the meaning of therefore and however, use therefore and however correctly. Let's start. Therefore is used to conclude an idea. We use it to conclude an idea. It means for that reason. A comma is used after it. Again, it is used to conclude an idea. It comes before a conclusion, and it means for that reason. And we always put a comma after it. Let's see the examples. Many Palestinian women embroidered well in the past. Therefore, Palestinian embroidery was famous. If you look here, we use therefore here to conclude this idea. Many Palestinian women embroidered well in the past. This is an idea. To conclude this idea, we use therefore. So, therefore, followed by comma, Palestinian embroidery was famous. It's like a reason and a result, or reason and conclusion. Okay? Another example. They loved animals. They loved animals. Therefore, comma, they had a dog, a cat, and a rabbit. So if you notice here, this is a conclusion. This is a conclusion for this idea. Now, when we conclude or when we write a conclusion for an idea, we use therefore. So again, they loved animals. Therefore, for that reason, they had a dog, a cat, and a rabbit. Another example. My brother loves sports. My brother loves sports. Therefore, he plays football, basketball, rugby, and golf. Okay, so here the idea is that my brother loves sports. The conclusion is he plays football, basketball, rugby, and golf. So here, when we write a conclusion for an idea, we use therefore. We put a comma after it. Again, therefore, we use it to conclude an idea. It means that for that reason, and we always put a comma after it. Okay? So, when we have two sentences, one is an idea or a reason, and the second is a conclusion or a result, we join them together by using therefore, and don't forget to put a comma after it. Okay? Great. Now, let's move to however. However is used to add a contrasting idea. Contrasting idea, different idea. It means but. And also a comma is used after it. Again, we use it to add a contrasting idea, a different idea. It means but, and we always put a comma after it. Let's look at the examples here. He went to London. This is an idea. However, comma, she didn't see the Big Ben. So if you notice here, this idea, okay, is opposite of this one. So here we have contrasting idea. We add the contrasting idea. This idea doesn't come with this one. Contrasting idea. Number 2, my brother loves sport. This is the idea. However, comma, he doesn't play football. If you notice here, different or contrasting ideas. My brother loves sports, however, but he doesn't play football. The third example, here, the exam was difficult. This is the idea. However, comma, I passed and got an A+. So here again, this idea is different from this one. The exam was difficult, however, but I passed and got an A. Again, however is used to add a contrasting idea. It means but, and don't forget to add or put a comma after it. Therefore, we use it to add a conclusion idea. Okay, conclusion. But however, we use it to add contrasting idea. Keep this in mind. Okay, reason and result, reason and conclusion, we use therefore. But when we have different ideas or contrasting ideas, we use therefore. Okay? Okay, now let's do this activity. I'd like you all to think of these sentences and then we will answer them together. Okay? So, have a look at these sentences and try to choose or to complete these sentences with however or therefore. Don't forget, again, I'd like to remind you that we use therefore when we have an idea and a conclusion, or a reason and result. We use therefore for that reason. And we use however when we have two contrasting ideas, two different ideas. Okay? Let's see. Number 1, I haven't eaten today. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. I'm hungry. Are they a reason and a result or two contrasting ideas? You decide. Number 2, I haven't eaten today. I'm not hungry yet. Think carefully. 3, my father is ill. He didn't go to work today. My mother is also ill. She went to work. All right? Let's see now the answers. Number 1, I haven't eaten today, therefore I'm hungry. So here, for this reason, I'm hungry today. Therefore, I haven't eaten today, however, but I'm not hungry yet. Two contrasting ideas. My father is ill. For that reason, therefore, he didn't go to work today. Okay, if we look at number 4, my mother is also ill. She went to work. Two contrasting ideas, so we use however. Again, my dear students, to sum up the main ideas in our lesson, we use therefore when we have a reason and its conclusion or its result. We use therefore. While we use however when we have two contrasting ideas. Thank you, my dear students, for watching and hoping you have enjoyed this lesson. لمشاهدة هذا الموقف مرة أخرى يرجى الدخول إلى الرابط أو الكود الظاهر في أسفل الشاشة.